This is the tea museum Wayanad of the Harrison plantation, and there is a beautiful playground here. Wow, it should be fantastic to play here. Tea, 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 everywhere tea. Wow.
Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another video of Distraction Roots. Right now I am in Wayanad and I am in a small town called Achur. I just got into a hotel there. It was really nice and I had a beautiful biryani there. The person there was very nice. We were having good conversation and all that. I just loved this place. The people here are just lovely and it's really wonderful. So from here I am going towards Pukod Lake, and this place here in front of me having tea plantations, and as I was driving through tea plantations. So going further also I believe there will be tea plantations, and I will show you guys how the road is. So I am starting off from this beautiful town called Achur and going towards Pukod Lake. You can see to my left side we have all tea plantations, and over there also all those mountains are tea plantations. Yeah, there are the tea plantations. There you can see the tea plantations in front of me. It's on that particular hill only. This one I read the board is from the Harrison Malayalam plantations. There it is. Pukod Lake is like 12 kilometers from here. Yeah, there it is. So now I am going through the tea plantations. Look at all that beauty. It looks beautiful actually. And here I was seeing that there is a tea factory and tea museum of the this is the tea museum Wayanad of the Harrison plantation. I was thinking I will get in, but when I asked the person there, he told me there is no need to get in. There is nothing much or nothing great to see in there. So that's why I am not entering. I thought I will enter and I will show you guys also how it is, the tea museum. But there is nothing as per these people. So I will continue my journey towards Pukod Lake. Achur Tea Factory. That's the board there. I don't know why he overtook me, for what. And there's a small stream there. Beautiful. So Y3 is 7 kilometers from here. Kozhikode another 69 kilometers. I see a bridge here. I will just go on the bridge and there's a stream. Wow. Beautiful. Really beautiful. And this road goes into the tea plantation. So I'll just have a small ride into tea plantations. Detour from my normal route. This is really beautiful roads. And there are houses also on one side. One side is tea plantation and another side we have houses. Beautiful. These people are lucky, but these people must be bored of seeing the tea plantations. It's people like us coming from outside or away from places. Beautiful. Wow. Lucky people, no? So I think that this road ends here. No, keeps going. So I'll go till the end And there is a beautiful playground here. Wow. It should be fantastic to play here. A ground in between the tea plantations. Really nice. So I returned back from the playground. I got onto the main road, continuing my way towards Pukod Lake. There's a small town here. It is Pojuttana. Pojuttana is the name of the place. Pojuttana, yeah. Pozuttana. Hearing it for the first time. Pojuttana. Wow. That view out there at the back is really amazing. It just drives me crazy, such roads and such views. I'm happy I'll be able to show you guys also all these. Normally when I travel I don't record, I don't do anything. I never had an idea of a vlog, but I used to travel a lot. But after I started the channel and I started vlogging, I feel happy also that there are so many people who are not able to travel, but through me they will be able to see places. I'm really happy about that in that way. And also some people who wants to travel, who are not able to travel, seeing me, at least one person gets motivated and starts traveling, I'll be really happy. So if someone after watching my videos have started traveling, please do let me know so that I can share the happiness with everyone else. Tea, 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 everywhere tea. Wow. Beautiful roads we have. We have beautiful roads here. Normally it is a normal sight in these tea plantations or such places. We have beautiful roads. We have beautiful roads, and I think there's a zip line or something happening there. Yeah, I think so. That's a zip line. Anyways, I'll continue my journey towards Pukod. Yeah, that was a zip line that I saw. Look at that view in front of me. There's a huge mountain range. Wow. Really beautiful and so huge. I think that's a forest area. Pukod Lake is like 700 meters from here. This road keep going down and you will reach Pukod Lake. That's what Google says. Yeah, that's the lake there. I can see the lake out there. On to my right side is the lake. So that's the entrance of it. So I parked my bike over there and I am walking towards the entrance of the Pukod Lake. Let me go check out there and how much is the ticket and all the details. I entered into the Pukod Lake, and there is a walk in the side of the lake. So I am going through that way. So let me walk and see what I can see from there. So that's the lake, and you can see people going on boating. You have paddle boats, you have the row boats. I don't think there are speed boats. So there it is. The lake is really peaceful and it's really beautiful. And this walk also is very nice amidst nature. It's really wonderful to walk over here, and I can see those flowers on the water. It's like the flowers on the water. I don't know what is it called or what is the name of the flower, but those are violet colored ones. Earlier when I had come here to Pukod Lake with my family, I had clicked a pic of it. That was really wonderful. I just love that pic. Yes, I forgot to tell about the entry tickets. The entry tickets are like 30 rupees for adults and 15 rupees for the children. The children age category is 10. So children below 10, you will have to pay 15 rupees. So that's all about the entry tickets here. And once you enter, you have different activities. For that, you have to pay separate. The boating is separate charge. And you can see a board there. Keep your surroundings clean. And this is a plastic banned area, so I would request everyone coming here to such places, please don't litter anywhere and keep the surroundings clean, and keep whatever waste, keep it with yourself in your bag and put it back in the dustbins. And please do not litter and keep the surroundings clean and protect the nature. I saw this interesting board here, become a citizen scientist, SMS water level to us, to that particular number, and there is the water level indicator. So I will just try sending an SMS to the number given. So now the water level is 105. So this is towards the boating area. As I am walking towards the boating area, you can see that there's a board for freshwater aquarium, then aqua park and hatchery and all that. So in case you need to go to those places, you will have to take a separate ticket. And this is the area for boating. So I met these guys here at Pukod Lake, and one of them, he asked my channel's name and he subscribed. I believe all others will be subscribed. Can you please tell your names?
Muhammad Ashfan,
You are from?
Malappuram.
Salman, Malappuram. Nishad, Malappuram.
Fuhad, Malappuram.
Rinshad, Kozhikode.
Rasak, Malappuram. Fajlu, Alapura.
There's one Alappuzha guy also. So how did you come up here?
Kuttanadu.
Kuttanadu. അല്ല എങ്ങനെ ഇവിടെ വന്നു?
കാറിലെ.
നീ ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് വന്നു?
ആ.
So he says he came here alone. All others are from Malappuram, and it was a nice experience meeting these guys. So how is Wayanad?
Beautiful.
So what do you want to tell the people coming to Wayanad? What can they expect? So only entertainment. It's really nice, and the weather is nice. So it's really nice meeting these people from Malappuram. So this is such a wonderful place for you people to be. Kids will enjoy. You can come as family, you can come with friends. This is a really nice place, and there are few other friends also here. There's one there. I don't want to disturb him. And there are few more there. So it's me, Tom, signing off from Pukod Lake. Catch you guys next week with yet another exciting video.